Welcome back. I'm back in the kitchen with Arena Lannis from PartyTips.com. Earlier you showed us some tricks with pumpkins. Now it's time for the treats, and we are making devilishly good chocolate bites.
Yes.
It smells so good here just from the melted chocolate already.
Yes, and the whole point of this is that it's supposed to look kind of like, you know, bloody and gross and like delicious.
You're supposed to look like a vampire that
yes.
just fed after
yes.
you ate it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. I like that.
But okay, so we're going to use organic chocolate.
So it's healthy.
It is. Okay. And then we're going to use frozen. You can do organic cherries, and I also put some strawberries in there. Mm-hmm. You can do just regular cherries and strawberries. So then the other thing that you're going to do is you're going to, when you put the frozen strawberries and cherries into your pot. Now I didn't do this, I didn't demo this, but it's super easy. You're just going to reduce it. Have you ever reduced anything?
No.
Okay, it's so easy. Basically, you're waiting for all the water to kind of evaporate. And, and initially, there's going to be, you know, big pieces of, you know, cherries, pitted cherries and strawberries. But then when it all reduces, it's going to look like jam.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect.
So, and this is what it looks like. So, okay, so we've melted the chocolate. And then what I'm going to do is you're going to line your muffin pan with cupcake liners. And then I am going to put a little bit of chocolate on the bottom. And then you, if you'd like, can scoop some of the reduced fruits inside.
This is like the cherry strawberry combo.
And then for a little bit of crunch, if you have an allergy to nuts, what you can do is you can put a little bit of toasted quinoa inside.
What did you just put the quinoa in the oven dry?
What did you do? I just did it in a pan. And you just roast them until, you're doing great, that's perfect. You roast them until they kind of start popping. You'll hear them like, like kind of like popcorn. And then when you're done, they're going to kind of turn a little brown, but then they're going to be crunchy. So then I'm going to top off
with more chocolate. My mouth is watering.
It is so good. And remember, healthy.
Because it's organic? Are we still doing that?
Well, I will tell you.
And there's quinoa in it. It's so healthy. I mean, this is, you're welcome.
And you know what? It's gluten-free. And it is, and we're not adding any extra sugar. And I'm going to top this off a little bit with quinoa too. And then you're going to let it set. You can do it in the refrigerator. And then you're going to take them out of their
shells.
And look how.
Oh, they look like Reese's peanut butter cups with red in them.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the part where I'm supposed to look like a vampire.
Yes.
How much talking am I doing after this? I'm going to say it now. Thanks, Arena. We have this recipe posted on our website. Ready?
Yes.
Oh. It is pretty mushy.
It's supposed to be.
Oh, shoot, I do have more talking.